Hello children, today we are going to learn topic banking, which is one of the easiest topic of ICSE syllabus. Here, when you are listening the word banking, it means that in this lesson we are going to study something related with the bank. So, whenever we are depositing money to the bank, we are depositing in certain accounts like saving account. Then even you might have heard about the RD account. So here in this lesson, we are going to study about RD account. RD account RD account means recurring deposit account. RD account means recurring deposit account. Here in this lesson, the questions, the problems which are there, it just depends on the two formulas. Number one is the formula for interest. I is equals to P into N plus 1 into R upon 100 into 2 into 12. And your another formula, it is of maturity value. Maturity value equals to P into N plus R. Here, in the very first formula, P means principal amount. In RD account, we are depositing a particular amount every month. For example, if 100 rupees, you are depositing for 2 years. So, P means the principal amount. Here, rupees 200 will be your principal amount because this amount I am depositing for 2 months. Then, the another term is N. This N will be always in number of months. Like in 2 years, how many months will be there? In 2 years, there will be 24 months. In 2 years, we will be having 24 months. Then R. R, it stands for rate of interest. Means at whatever percent of rate of interest bank is giving us, that is your rate of interest. So here if you can see, just we were having three variable. One was P, one was N, and another one was R. So here P means principal, N means number of month, and then R means rate of interest. So here these three are the terms. Then the another thing is your maturity value. Now maturity value means what? This is the value which you will be getting at the end of the 2 years, because you are depositing money for 2 years. So you will be getting this money at the end of the 2 years. But at the end of the 2 years, what amount you will be getting? Your principal amount. How much it is? Rupees 200. As earlier I told you, it was rupees 200. So rupees 200. Your number of months were 24. Plus interest. Interest we will be calculating according to this. At whatever rate of interest it is given, at the end of the year, whatever the profit we are going to get, that is the interest. So here maturity value means what? This is the amount which we are going to get at the end of the year. That is our maturity value. And P stands for principal, and for the number of months, and I for the interest which we are going to get at the end of a particular period of time. So here, this is the introduction of the topic. This topic will be more clear to you when I will explain you one problem. So here in this problem, Sajal invests rupees 600 per month for 2.5 years. Sajal invests rupees 600 per month. So this rupees 600 will be what? Very first we will write down what is given. So this rupees 600 is principal. Rupees 600 per month for 2.5 years. So this 2.5 years will be what years? This 2.5 years will be your N. N equals to 2.5 years. But I already told you that N we will be always considering in number of months. So here what will be this 2.5 means how many months? 24. 2 years means 24 months. 24 plus 6 means 30 months. In a recurring deposit scheme of Oriental Bank of Commerce, if the bank pays simple interest at 6 integral 2/3% per annum. So now this will be what your rate of interest. So your rate of interest is 6 integral 2/3%. So you convert it into improper fraction. So this will be 20/3%. Find the amount received by him on maturity. Means you have to find out is the maturity value. For finding maturity value, what do we need? We need principal amount. You know what is the formula for maturity value? The formula for maturity value is P into N plus I. But here we are knowing what? Principal we are knowing. Number of months we are not knowing. We are not knowing is the I. So first we will have to find out the I, interest, by using the formula I equals to P into N into N plus 1 into R upon 100 divided by 2 into 12, which equals to, now principal amount is 600, N is 30, N plus 1 means 30 plus 1, R is 20/3 divided by 100. I will take it as like this, 2 into 12 into 100. Now here 600 into 30 into 31 into 20/3. This you can reduce it, 3 ones are and 3 tens are, divided by 2 into 12 into 100. 0 0 cancel, 2 ones are, 2 threes are 6, then 3 ones are, 3 fours are, 4 ones are, 4 fives are. So 50 into 31. So your interest is how much? I is equals to 1550. So now we'll calculate. Now we are knowing interest, so we can find it of maturity value. Maturity value equals to P into N plus I. P is how much? P is 600, N is 30 plus 1550. Rupees 055. So 19,550 is your maturity value. This was only asked to you to find out.